So today we're going to take a look at this MagicFiber glasses cleaning kit. This is a 4-piece. So you get 2 sprays, which you can get up to 450 sprays per each bottle. And then you get the fiber cleaning cloth. So these are going to be great for reading glasses, prescription glasses, or sunglasses. So we'll use this example. You could kind of see it's kind of dirty here. What I'll do is just take this lid off here. Spray a little bit. It doesn't have any kind of like bad smell to it. And then I'm just going to clean these. See how much better that looks. I'm going to clean the opposite side as well. Definitely see how much clearer that is. So yeah, highly recommend. Seems to be like a soft cloth here, and you get enough sprays for a long time. And it's a 2-pack, so you can give one to someone else.